And this news comes as LA County is moving closer to a less restrictive tier.
Yeah, the county sure is. And in fact, LA County Health says that could happen as early as next week. But it is still unclear if the county will approve all of the businesses that would be permitted to reopen under a red tier. Talking about indoor dining here, with County Health saying it still might be too risky to let diners inside. Listen why.
Cases and hospitalizations and deaths are decreasing, and we're likely to move into a less restrictive tier very soon.
Going into the less restrictive red tier would mean LA County could reopen more of its businesses. We're talking movie theaters, gyms. For schools, it could clear 7th through 12th grades to resume in-person learning, and indoor dining could resume, but county health officials warn restaurants may not be cleared to serve diners inside just yet.
LA County does not exist in a bubble, and we have learned that when cases across other parts of the country increase, California can follow. So we can't afford to be complacent.
That as LA County is expecting its largest vaccine shipment yet, including more than 54,000 doses of the new Johnson & Johnson vaccine. That's due to arrive sometime this week. As more of us get vaccinated, the CDC now easing some of its safety guidelines.
Today's action represents an important first step. It is not our final destination.
A first step, the feds say, in getting families back together again. Those who are fully vaccinated can now gather indoors with other vaccinated people without wearing a mask or social distancing. And those who've been vaccinated can visit with others who are at low risk, clearing grandparents to visit their families. Still, doctors on the front lines are urging caution.
Why take the risk in taking the mask off, forget social distancing, and just acting like you're fully protected? The vaccine is not 100% guaranteed to protect you, so don't take the risk.
Even though LA County has administered more than 800,000 second doses, it's very important to remember this. It still takes time for your body to have full immunity.
It takes up to 2 weeks after, and we call post-vaccination, to achieve any type of full immunity. So even in that regard, it's dangerous to assume that you can go out there unprotected.
And now live, there is something else that Dr. Waters wants you to remember. Even if you are fully vaccinated, have both doses, and are feeling fine, you still could be asymptomatic. That is something the doctors have been finding in the ER as the patients come in. They've been vaccinated, yet they have the symptoms. They don't know it, and they're carrying the virus, meaning you could pass it on to somebody without even knowing it. So the doctors are still stressing that's why you should mask up, keep your distancing up, and whether you have the vaccine or not, don't take any chances. For now, we're live here in West LA. Back to both of you.